Statistics is of great value to biology also. In 1866, Gregor John Mendel published his observations and conclusions after years of experimenting in the breeding of plants of the group Pisum sativum. He found that hereditary characteristics are transmitted to the filial generations according to some laws of chance which are statistically expounded. His work led to the founding of science of genetics and eugenics, with important applications to the breeding of plants and animals, and new possibilities for the improvement of human race. Biotechnology has emerged as a new discipline which covers wide range of applications from generic modification of plants and animals to gene therapy, reproductive therapy, medicine, and drug manufacturing, and even energy production. In all situations, analysis is carried out by generating something and assessing whether or not it includes the desired operation, and determining performance involves statistical analysis of results. Statistics is very fast penetrating into medical science even. The application of statistics in the medical field is specifically termed as biostatistics. In fact, statistics keeps vigilant eyes on health phenomena of people and on incidence of diseases. If a particular disease is observed statistically to be more prevalent in a group of persons with some common attribute, it examines the association between the incidence of the disease and that common attribute. When the association is statistically established, the attention of the medical scientists is drawn to the problem of examining the biological and psychological causes. It is in this way that it has been detected that smokers are more prone to cancer. Regular intake of a little alcohol might raise a HDL cholesterol level in blood. Overweight might increase blood pressure, etc., have also been established with the help of statistics. While the study of biology focuses on living organisms, statistical analysis provide crucial insight into many biological processes. Statistics helps biologists to conduct experiments properly, verify conclusions, and to interpret results correctly. Medical scientists often use statistical techniques to diagnose a disease and to decide the treatment strategy with an estimation of its effects to determine risk factors of a disease, to design, monitor, evaluate, interpret the results of clinical studies, to measure, locate, and explain the extent of a disease. Statistical techniques are very widely used by the medical scientists to compare the efficacy of a particular drug by assessing the percentages of cured and uncured, or to compare the various lines of treatment for a given disease. The reference ranges for various pathological and other laboratory tests are determined by using statistical techniques. Assuming normal distribution, the reference range is obtained by measuring the values in a reference group and taking about 2 times a standard deviation either side of the mean. The range in this way constitutes 95% of the total population. This means that even if the individual is healthy, there is 5% chance of its test value to lie outside the reference range. So, just because laboratory value is outside the reference range doesn't mean that the person has necessarily has a disease or disorder. Conversely, a normal laboratory test value doesn't guarantee the person to be free from the disease. Statistics is used also to introduce and promote health legislations. It helps to find out the success rate of the health programs introduced in a community. Thank you.